Now, Pema Dorji,
sir.
you are in your Zangdok Palri. This is the Lotus Light Palace in front of you. Now, this is a comparison of the Lotus Light Palace. This is the aerial footage of this, the ruins up here.
Drone
And
nahi kam hai.
This is the Thangka painting. Now the Kyul river is also shown here, the blue, and the steps also go down over there. Now this block is shown here. This block, that is this block there, which is damaged. Because that's just bricks. You can see it's bricks. The second block, this block, the second block is shown here. Is shown, this block is shown here, which is this block here. Which is this block here behind that block. And then you have the plinth. And then you have the entire plinth. Here is the plinth, and round bastions. The round bastions here are shown in blue up here. Are shown in blue up here and up here. And the central part is on pillars up here. And you can see there are 21 pillar bases up here. And there are 21 pillar bases there. And so can you explain this? See, that is the black mountain, this is the copper colored one.
Mostly Himalayan Buddhism Druperu Gachibiru Ani Dubate, Achiki Tanka Dizuna most Santo Peri, Sogalen Anna, Ani Duba, Emosha. The Ani Kupa Santo Peri Umidi. Exactly aerial view footage da anzum to ani themma wa to ga yuso sago dina ani themme tane to na abdila ani pillars ani kare exactly coincide be umesi ani ana this emotion ani to this ana surgery can you show that ana da shaba ani di emotion ba chor se bedashana ani di to constantly tentem benedi ya poduk bindiga ani duba ani tsudi imosh ta gaira ramraju ani zumbe de nyamnyomi kanemi be imosh tan tale pura dedi me ta no 21 pillars gi ani duba ani ge du ta na ta shim zu maro lashe du ta jinga ten zu zumbe ana bende isu ge lo menarabat ma timda tono zu ani zumbe gi sago ime ta ani di exact kongi aerial view da ni photos ani zum ten be da excavate be da achigi Santo Peri Tanka da Guru Rinpoche Santo Peri ani beuda chor mitheba ga kore tash imogosh te
and Lali means the lotus light.
te kogi de Lali se midi lotus light lo da me to pe mama up lo gaji kuji kongi na di Lali pahari Lali mahal selab mawata kori gi de shule te
and this plinth and this plinth is ditto Same monastery.
yeah.
It is when from Guru Padmasambhava went from here to Same. He made Same exactly according to
his home
to Zangdo Palri.
to remember his hometown.
Yes.
Ani ya Samedi ya
You can compare it with Same.
Beu Samedi jiga compare be di biru ani chor te be yuso ba te santo be zumbe jendi mawate guru be chora gi yuso sago de na ani zumbe jende oda belu te ya ge songso ga tusun de ya bobo de kogi ya gi ani be oda de korigi nagi ani zumbe beu Samedi lagadi ani exactly ani zumbe ani inda gaji tankan으로 안 해도 봐 되나 이모고시 다 같이 tankan으로 유미 아니 플랜트로 아니 돔텔로 아니 전 프로두면 아니 주 아키텍트 아니 주면 아니 주 프라나 두스 아나 다시나라 봐봐 와 코르테 무슨 잡사이 뭐 때나 딸리 두어 딸리 안에 에베두 아니 감스시 두 아니 벤데 예시두두 두 아니 벤데 나부기 제와진 베서 오라 this is something out of the blue man 야 때 저도 시미시에 Tangadi, I have been very lucky and fortunate enough to be in contact with Mr. Ashok Singh, and ngachara try bedo ngage from my side try and try to get my people from my part of the world, the Buddhist world, to know more about Guru Rinpoche, his contribution to Vajrayana Buddhism and the world, you know. So, any inquiries to you you contact me in your Facebook, WhatsApp,
Now, this is from me, Ashok Singh. All my followers from Bhutan who want to visit Zangdo, Palri, etc. He is you're in Thimphu. His office is in Thimphu. Contact Pema Dorji, and he will make all arrangements for you to come here and see, and a guide to take you all around.
Now, but in the move, can you know Ashok Sarjical Lula, Yama, Ashok Sar, Hema Darjeeling? He's a mountain game. I'm a North Pointer in Pigai. Those guys who know me, you know, also Moshe. He's a MH guy, Mounty guy. He's been very nice and that he's given me full support. In fact, Korea, Nambalu convert Bedime, Buddhist Rame. 거기 갈로 차로 비치면 거기로 사칸다 호텔다 가이라 두로 다는나 가고 베초라나 미즈스 키베테나 네라 제니 콘루라 간유 버친 테 베다 페마 아세로 쇼크서게 데벨롭메 땡아야 오뱅아야 좀 중쿠치 플랜 베도 테 텔레테 타게테 몰라 let's see interested you and some bebe bichin this is going to be an amazing find for us, and let us take advantage of this, and let us be the Bhutanese guys who come and discover the roots of Padmasambhava.
Folks, your, what do you call it, Pema Dorji, his ancestors would dream of coming to the Lotus Light Palace, and he has fulfilled his ancestors' dreams, folks.